How do you raise money for your business? Where do you get the necessary financing? Not to worry, there are different ways to raise money for a business. The very first one, which is the surest one, is your personal savings. How much do you have in your account? How much have you saved over time? This is time to bring that money out and fund the business. If you do not have personal savings, or you can turn to friends and family. Where friends and family cannot save you, there are other options. We have bank loans. Luckily for businesses, there are banks and other financial institutions that they have programs where they provide startup capitals for businesses. It may require a collateral or a very brilliant business plan. This is where the benefit of that business plan you created initially come in. Because trust me, where you have to seek investors, which is another way to get money for your business, with a business plan, you must show them something. I personally wouldn't want to invest in a business where I cannot see your plans for the business in the next 5 years. I want to know what you have planned. I want to see the brilliant plans you have put down. This is where the business plan will come in. Another way to seek funding for your business is through government grants. Now, different governments of different states offer support programs to help start up businesses. Now, they mostly do this for people in the agricultural sector. There is a higher chance of a farmer getting a government grant than a dweller. Another way to get financing is through angel investors. These are people who invest in different businesses for equity. So they are mostly already interested in your line of business, or even if they don't have an idea of your line of business, if you're able to sell the business plan to them very well, they may just be interested in it for equity. So they get, I give you 100 million, I own 40% of your business. You take 60, I take 40, I give you 100 million, use it to finance the business. Another way to seek financing is through venture capitals. There are different venture capital firms that look for businesses with great potential to invest in. Now, the difference between an angel investor and a venture capital firm is that venture capital firms offer higher level of funding than angel investors. So they are willing to go all in, maybe even willing to fund the whole business, but they always seek a higher equity in return. These are different ways to fund your business. Seek the one that would favor you the most and go for it.